In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a lead scoring system on Apollo.io. If you're looking to organize and prioritize your leads more efficiently, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through setting up lead scoring in Apollo.io from scratch, something that will help your sales team focus on the hottest prospects. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive extended free trial to Apollo.io. First things first, let's dive into Apollo.io's lead scoring feature. Lead scoring in Apollo.io helps you determine which prospects are most likely to convert based on their behavior and engagement. It's a game changer for anyone looking to prioritize their efforts and close deals faster. To set up a lead scoring system, you'll want to begin by logging into your Apollo.io account. Once inside, head over to the Settings tab. Under Lead Scoring, you'll see an option to configure your system. This is where you'll set the parameters for your lead scores, so take a moment to think about what defines a hot lead for your business. Now, Apollo.io uses various factors to determine a lead score. One of the first things you can adjust is the weight of actions such as email opens, clicks, website visits, or even responses to your outreach efforts. The more a lead interacts with your content, the higher their score will go. For example, if a lead opens your email and clicks through to a landing page, that's a clear sign they're interested. You can also assign point values to these activities. For instance, you might want to assign 10 points for an email click-through and 5 points for opening an email. This allows you to create a scoring system that's specific to your needs. If you're reaching out to leads via multiple channels, you can factor in activities like social media engagement or webinar attendance too. But setting up the scoring criteria is just one part. You'll also want to define thresholds that categorize leads into different buckets: hot, warm, and cold. For example, a lead scoring above 80 points might be considered hot, while those scoring below 40 could be cold. This is crucial because it helps your sales team focus their energy on leads that are most likely to convert. Once you've set your parameters, you can test and adjust them over time. Don't be afraid to tweak the scoring system based on real-world results. Maybe you notice that a lead who visits your pricing page tends to convert faster than one who just opens your emails. With Apollo.io, you can easily adjust your lead scoring system to reflect this kind of insight. Next, let's talk about automation. Apollo.io makes it incredibly easy to automate your lead scoring system. Once your lead scoring system is in place, you can set up automated workflows that trigger actions when a lead reaches a certain score. For example, once a lead hits 75 points, you could set up an automated email, or even assign them directly to a sales representative. This ensures no lead falls through the cracks and speeds up your response time. If you're using Apollo.io's CRM features, you'll also benefit from real-time lead tracking. This means that as a lead's behavior changes, their score will automatically update. This ensures your sales team always has the most up-to-date information when deciding how to approach a lead. By the way, if you want to test Apollo.io for free, I've got you covered. You can sign up through the first link in the description below and get access to an exclusive extended free trial that most people don't get. Take advantage of this offer and start seeing how lead scoring can take your lead management to the next level. To wrap up, setting up a lead scoring system on Apollo.io is a straightforward process that will help you automate and prioritize your leads effectively. With the ability to assign scores based on lead activity, set custom thresholds, and automate follow-ups, Apollo.io's lead scoring system ensures that your team is focusing on the leads that matter most. Plus, you get the added bonus of real-time tracking and easy adjustments as you learn from your results. If you're ready to implement lead scoring and boost your sales efficiency, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial from the first link below. Start optimizing your lead management today and take your sales strategy to the next level with Apollo.io.